Hello and welcome to the Greenleaf Library. We are located in the 300 quad across from the Student Services building. The library hours for the spring and fall semesters will be Mondays and Tuesdays 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Wednesdays and Thursdays 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., Fridays 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., and Saturdays 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. We will be closed on Sundays. For the summer semester, the library will be open Monday through Thursday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. We will be closed Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. As you enter the library, you will find the circulation desk to your left. This is where you will find the reserved textbooks, ask any general questions, and to check out library materials. Behind the circulation desk is the library staff office. You can ask any staff member for assistance and they will be happy to help you. Around the corner here you will find the librarian's office, room 313. The library has 51 computers for student use. We also have 2 laptops that can be checked out for 3-hour use in the library. We have a copy machine in the back that can be used by students. Due to copyright laws, whole books cannot be copied, but under fair use you can copy a few pages. Along the back wall of the library are 7 study rooms. These are great for quiet study, attending an online meeting, or collaboration with fellow students. At the center of the library is the reference desk. This is where the librarian will be available to help you with research, library workshops, and class assignments. To the right will be the stacks containing the library's circulating collection. These books are available for 3-week loan, which you can renew if you need more time. The library has eliminated overdue fines, but you may be blocked from registering for classes if you have long overdue materials. The books located on the short shelves are the reference materials and are for use in the library only. These books are a great starting point for research as they are written by experts in their fields. The periodical section is located to the right of the entrance. The library subscribes to a variety of magazines. The new issues are located in this section and cannot be checked out, but the back issues are located in the rear of the library and can be checked out for 3 weeks. Finally, in the rear corner is the Bagley Room. This room will be dedicated to displaying the student art here at CMC. Thank you for watching.